All right, day 35. Day 35. Right when you hear that number 35, there should be some bells going on. What kind of a number is 35? What are some factors of 35 that could go along with 100? And your brain should be just spinning at this point, knowing kind of how to simplify 35 out of 100. But I still want to show a physical representation of our party. Remember, our party has been cut up into 100 days. Yesterday, we had 34 hundredths. In other words, it was our 34th day of school out of 100, and today we're adding 1/100th, one square out of 100 squares. And so now we have 35 hundredths. And I'm going to write 35 hundredths as a decimal. So we're going to write, there's our decimal point, and all the numbers, place values to the left of this would be whole numbers, and the place value to the immediate left or to the right is our tenths, and then our place value, two place values over, is our hundredths. So any number that's in this place value means that the whole's been cut up into 10 pieces, and whatever number is here is the value, parts of a 10. For hundredths, as we've been doing here, is we have our 100 and our 100. And so when we write it in the decimal, we would write it as 35 hundredths. And we'll put this up on our ticker. I had to push the camera really far back because you can see our ticker is just growing, and hopefully you can estimate how far would you predict we would need to go before we got to halfway to our 100th day party, huh?